Tom the tow truck. Tom the tow truck.
Hey, Billy. What are you doing today? Oh, you're moving these bricks to build a house? Great work, Billy. Another pile of bricks, and you are done. Oh, no. What happened, Billy? Is something wrong? Uh-oh. I think you need some help, Billy. Wait till I get help. Tom the tow truck will be able to fix you up. Hey, Tom. Busy, eh? You like everything organized, don't you? Hey, listen, Tom. Billy the Bulldozer is in trouble. He needs your help. Will you come? Great, Tom. You are a hero. Come along. Let's find Billy. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. There, Tom. Billy is there, waiting for us. Hey, Billy, look who's here. Now you are in safe hands, so relax. Let's get going. To the garage, everyone. Are we ready, Billy? Ready, Tom? Let's try moving this blade. Oh, no, it just isn't working. So what do we do now? Well, what is it, Tom? Oh, all right. We need to tighten the screws that connects Billy's blade and blade lift cylinder. Will that do, Tom? Great. Ready, Billy? Time to tighten the screws fast and good. Great work, Tom. Billy is fixed and ready to work now. Anything else, Tom? Oh, look. That exhaust pipe is really old and needs to be replaced. There, Tom. Will that do? No? How about that? Perfect. Time for a new exhaust pipe for Billy. Interesting. Billy, are you excited? What is it, Tom? Yes, you're right. The paint is peeling off here. Shall we change it? Hey, Tom, I love your mask. First, let's take the paint pistol. And now, let's choose the color. The red one? No. All right, the orange one. Great choice, Tom. Wow, Tom, great work. Billy looks perfectly new. Bye, Billy. Have fun.